I'm Narendra Verma, once again before you. As you know very well, we have been dealing with the chapter 6 in accountancy for class 12 CBSE syllabus, that is retirement and death of a partner, right? And in today's video, we are going to continue the further numerical problems. Alright, so without wasting much time, you can see the question on your screen. So, I have done the question here, problem number 17. Let's read it out. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. On 31st March 2020, their balance sheet was as under balance sheet as at 31st March 2020. Creditors, workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, capitals, Ashish, Brijesh, Chetan, cash at bank, debtors, minus provision for bad debt, stock, investment, market value is also given 35,200, patents, machinery, advertisement expenditure and goodwill. Chetan retired on the above date on the following terms, means this last one. Okay. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued at rupees 69,600. Fine. Value of the patent is to be reduced by 20% and that of machinery to 90%. See, patent's value is decreasing by 20%, but machinery value has to be reduced to 90%. Means after reduction 90% value should retain in comparison to present value. So we can say like that also, that there is the reduction of 10%. Fine. Provision for doubtful debts is to be created at the rate of 6% on debtors. Fine. Chetan took over the investment at market value. Fine. Liability for workman compensation to the extent of 1,500 is to be created. Okay. A liability of rupees 8,000 included in creditors is not to be paid. Okay. Amount due to Chetan to be settled on the following basis: 10,133 to be paid immediately. Fine. 50% of the balance within 1 year and balance via bill of exchange without interest at 3 months. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of new firm. Okay, so let's start. So this is the format of revaluation account. Let's start passing the entry here. So let's start with this. Value of patent is to be reduced by 20%. Means it is going to come here in the other side. Okay, what is the current value of patent? 20,000, and what is the 20% of that? 4,000, right? Now machinery has to be reduced to 90%. Means we can directly calculate 90% of that. Okay, or we can directly calculate the 10% of that, because 10% reduction in the machinery value is being done, and 10% of the 1 lakh is 10,000, right? Next, provision for doubtful debt is to be created at the rate of 6% on debtors. Right now we have provision. Okay, so we need to calculate the percentage. So the question says provision for doubtful debt is to be created at the rate of 6%. So very first let's calculate 6% of 80,000, that is 4,800. And right now we have provision for rupees 4,000. Means we need to create the provision by rupees 800 only, and it will be an under of liability, so it will be debited. Alright. So this is done, this is also done. Chetan took over the investment at market value. Fine. See, we need to understand here, Chetan took the investment at market value. Means if we see from the firm's point of view, the investment was revalued at its market value. Okay. And the book value of the investment was 30,000. Fine. So we recorded the increase in the value of investment by rupees 5,200. Okay. So it will be credited here. Fine. Now let's move further. Its treatment will be done in the partners capital account as well. Okay. So we remember it. Liability for workman compensation to the extent of rupees 1,500 is to be created. Alright. So how much amount we have in WCR? 24,000. Okay, out of this 1,500 will be a claim. Fine. And then remaining one, 22,500 will be distributed among the 3 partners. Fine, that will be treated there at the time of partner's capital account. Okay. Further, a liability of rupees 8,000 included in creditors is not to be paid. Fine. So we can simply understand that the creditors were reduced by 8,000. So it will be mentioned here. Alright. Now let's move further. Amount due to Chetan to be settled, no other entry is there. Okay, now let's make the total of this. This side total is more. So we get the loss of 1,600 by partners capital accounts, right? Ashish, Jesh and Chetan. Okay, so this 1,600 will be borne by all the partners in this old ratio 3 to 1. Okay, we have rounded it off 66.66, then we make it 7, right? 800, 533 and 267. Okay, so it is about the revaluation account. I hope you must have understood how to prepare it. Okay, now it's time to prepare the partner's capital account. Fine, so without wasting much time, let's prepare that. Okay, so this is the format of partner's capital account. Ashish, Brajesh, Chetan in debit side as well as in credit side. So let's start. Very first we put the balance which is given in the balance sheet. This by balance sheet. Fine. Now let's move further. As per the question we go. Okay. Workman compensation reserve. Already we have understood. We had 24,000 and 1,500 we have to provide for the claim, and remaining 22,500 we need to distribute. Okay. Among the three partners in this ratio. Fine, let's do that. Fine, 11,250 will go to Ashish. Okay, and 7,500 will go to Brajesh, and 3,750 will go to Chetan. Okay, so let's put these values here. Fine, so we get this treatment. Now let's talk about investment fluctuation reserve. See here, we already recorded the value of investment at market value. Means this is prepared for compensating the fall in the value of investment, right? There is no fall, so entire amount will be distributed among the partners. How much amount is that? 12,000. There will be three parts of that. 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Right? It will go to Ashish, it will go to Brajesh and it will go to Chetan. So let's put these values here. Alright, so this is also done. Let's see that is there any kind of loss here, as it is there advertisement expenditure 10,500. It is also supposed to be borne by these three. Okay, in the set ratio. Fine. 5,250 will go to Ashish and 3,500 to Brajesh and 750 will be borne by Chetan. Okay, so let's put the value here. Alright, now let's move further. Let's talk about it. Goodwill, yes. Goodwill is to be valued at 69,600. Okay, so very first we need to calculate the share of the retiring partner of this. And who is the retiring partner? He was getting 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 of this is 11,600. Right? Okay. Now let's read the question further to know whether the new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partner is given or not. It is not given as far as we have read the question. So this ratio will be as new ratio as well as the gaining ratio, right? 3:2. So here we need gaining ratio because this amount needs to be compensated by these in the gaining ratio. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay, fine. 6,960 will be compensated by Ashish and 4,640 will be compensated by Brajesh. Alright, so let's pass the entry here. The same. Gaining partners capital account are debited and sacrificing or retiring partners capital account is credited. Okay, so we'll pass the entry here by Ashish capital account and by Brajesh capital account. Alright, amount will go to Chetan's column and the reverse entry will be passed here. Okay, so it was a treatment with the goodwill. Now let's move further. This is done. This is already done. Yes. We need to transfer here the loss on revaluation. So what was the amount of loss? We can put here 800, 533 and 267. We need to see that goodwill also exists here. This is the old goodwill, right? This is also supposed to be distributed. Okay, in three parts. Fine. 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. This is for Ashish, this is for Rajesh and this is for Chetan. Okay, so let's put it. I just write down here, put it. Alright, now let's move further. Chetan took over the investment. So if we need to pass the journal entry for that, then what will be the entry? Chetan's capital account debit to investment, because investment has been sold out from the firm. Okay, it does not exist anymore at market value. Fine. So according to the entry, what will be the posting here? To investment. Okay, and the amount will go to Chetan's column. 35,200, the market value of the investment, because the question says that. Fine. And any other adjustment remaining? No. Now it's time to make this adjustment, and for the same, very first we need to make the total. Okay. So very first we will make the total of Chetan's account, and then we will move forward. Okay. So let's make the total of Chetan's account. 59,350. Alright. Now out of this 59,350, very first we need to deduct the total of this. Okay, let's make the total of this. The total of this is 39,270. So we are left with 20,133. This amount has to be paid to Chetan, right? But what the question says, 10,133 needs to be paid immediately, right now. Okay, means we need to see here, cash or bank. It's given bank, so we'll pass the entry with bank to bank account, because we need to deduct that amount from that as well at the time of preparation of balance sheet. Okay, remember it. So this 10,133 will be given to him immediately. So when we deduct this 10,133, then we get 10,000 only. Okay. Now we need to make the payment to Chetan 10,000. Fine. Now what the question says further, 50% of the balance within 1 year, means this amount is not to be paid right now. It has to be paid within 1 year. The 50%. 50% of the 10,000 is the 5,000. Alright. So this 5,000 will be transferred to Chetan's loan account. Why? Because the question says that if it is not to be paid right now, it is to be paid within 1 year. It means it needs to be transferred to loan account. Okay. Now, it further says that remaining means the balance by a bill of exchange without interest at 3 months. Okay. So, whenever we accept a bill, then what entry is passed in our books? Drawers account debit to bills payable. Okay. So here we have accepted bill on the name of Chetan. Fine. So the entry will come here in Chetan's account to bills payable. Okay. How much amount? 5,000. Now the entire settlement has been done. Okay. Once again, understand, we are moving according to the question. We need to make the payment of 20,133 to Chetan. If these situations were not given, we would directly transfer this amount to his loan account. Right, but the question says out of this 10,133 needs to be paid immediately. Okay, we pass the entry here. Then question says that out of the remaining 50% has to be paid within 1 year. Then we transfer it to loan account. And then the question says that for the balance, the bill will be written, bill will be accepted. Okay, so we transfer it to bills payable account. Alright. Now let's make the total for other two. So total of this side is 75,500. Okay, it will be placed here as well. Now out of this 75,500, very first we will make the total of this side. So the total of this side comes 12,673. Let's deduct it. 62,827. So let's put this value here. Alright. It will be known by to balance C. Okay. Now let's calculate for Ashish. So what is the total of this side? 1,53,250. Alright, let's put this value here as well. Now, from this 1,52,250, we need to deduct the total of this side, 19,010. So let's deduct it, 1,34,240. Right? Let's put this value here. So, this is our partner's capital account. Fine. Very first we made the total of retiring partner, and then nothing we did, we made the total of the continuing partner. Okay, now with the help of these, we need to prepare balance sheet of new firm. Alright, so let's prepare. So this is the format of balance sheet as at 1st April 2020 after the retiring partners gone. After the retiring partner is gone, we will prepare that. Okay, so let's pass the entry here. Very first, creditors. Let's see, is there any change with the creditors? Yes, it has been decreased by 8,000. Okay, so now the creditors are 34,000. 42,000 minus 8,000. You can mention here as well, like this. There is no problem. Okay. Now workman compensation reserve has been distributed. Investment fluctuation reserve distributed. Capitals for Ashish and Brijesh only, because they are only the continuing partner. Okay, let's put the value that we have already calculated. Okay, for Ashish 1,34,240 and for Brijesh 62,827. We'll make the total here 1,97,067. Okay, now any other liability? No, but the liability we have Chetan's loan of rupees 5,000. We have bills payable, right, of 5,000 on the name of Chetan. Okay, these were the liability created because still we have not made the payment. Okay, so these will be shown here as liabilities till these are paid. After 3 months, this will be paid. Okay, so it will not be mentioned here. Fine. Like we see that cash at bank. Okay, the question said it here 10,133 was paid immediately. So this amount will be deducted directly from the bank because this has been paid. Okay, so how much we are left with? 1,367. Alright, now let's move further. Let's talk about debtors. So the debtors were of 80,000. Okay, and we need to make the provision for bad debts at the rate of 6%, and that was 4,800. Alright, so how much amount we are left with? 75,200. Alright, now let's move further. Let's talk about stock. Is there any change in stock? No, not at all. So the same value will be put here. Now let's talk about patents. Patents have been reduced. Earlier the patent was at 20,000. Okay, these have been reduced by 20%, means 4,000. Now the patent's value is 16,000. Now let's talk about machinery. Already it is given in the question. These need to be mentioned at 90% value. Means out of 1 lakh we need to deduct 10,000. Then we get 90%, that is 90,000. Alright, and advertisement expenditure already gone. Goodwill already written off. Any other asset do we have? Investment already been taken by Chetan, so it does not exist anymore. I do not find any other adjustment. Now we will get the total of this, right? 2,42,567. Let's see here. One thing we forgot here: claim for workman compensation, right? 1,500. It needs to be mentioned here. Okay. Now total matches 2,42,567. Alright, so this is the way to prepare it. Fine. Today we prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. If such question comes in the examination, it will be there for 8 marks. Understood the point? Now let's move further. Try to attempt one question if the partner retires in the mid of the year. Okay, so you can see the question on your screen. So I have written the question here. Problem number 18. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Right? On 31st March 2020, the balance sheet was as under. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2020. Creditors, employees provident fund, workmen compensation reserve, capitals, Ashish, Brijesh, Chetan. Cash at bank, debtors, stock, investments, building. Right? Chetan retires on 30th June 2020, and it was mutually agreed that building be valued at rupees 44 lakh. Okay, right now the building is 36 lakh, so it is going to increase. Investments to be valued at rupees 6 lakh. Right now it is 8 lakh, means it is decreasing and we do not have any investment fluctuation reserve. Okay, stock be taken at rupees 16 lakh. Now what What is the value? 12 lakh means it is going to increase. Goodwill of the firm be valued at 2 years purchase of the average profit of the past 5 years. Okay, so very first we'll take the average of the past 5 years profit and then we will multiply it with 2 years. Then we get the total value of goodwill and then we will calculate the retiring partner share out of that, and then the similar procedure we do all the time. Okay, now Chetan's share of profit up to the date of retirement be calculated on the basis of average profits of the preceding 3 years, right? Last 3 years. The profits of the preceding 5 years were as well. Why 5 years are given? Because it is needed for the calculation of goodwill. Fine. For 15-16, 8 lakh, for 16-17, 10 lakh, for 17-18, 12 lakh, and for 18-19, 16 lakh, and last 19-20, 14 lakh. Fine. Amount payable to Chetan to be transferred to his loan account carrying interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Fine. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet on 30th June. So what is the speciality in this question? The retirement is being done in the middle of the year, right? Okay. So there is no problem. The problem will come related to the share of profit in the middle of the year. We will talk about it as we reach over this. So let's start. Very first we need to prepare revaluation account. Alright. Okay. So let's read it. Building value at is 44 lakh. Means the value is going up by building. How much? Earlier it was 36 lakh. What is the amount of difference? 8 lakh. It is going up by 8 lakh. Okay. It is done. Now let's talk about investment. To be valued 6 lakh means down. What is the value of investment? 8 lakh. Okay, and we need to put it at 6 lakh means 2 lakh down. Now let's talk about stock. The stock we taken at rupees 16 lakh. And what is the value of stock? 12 lakh. Means we need to increase it by 4 lakh. Alright. Stock is also done. Now go to the firm. We'll talk about later. Any other adjustment related to revaluation account? I do not find. Is there any claim? No, not at all. Alright then, make a total of this. That is 12 lakh. Out of this 12 lakh, we will deduct 2 lakh, then we get 10 lakh. So this is the profit to be transferred to partners. Capital accounts, who are the partners? Ashish, Priyesh and Chetan. In old profit sharing ratio, that is 5:2, means 5 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Alright, so it was very simple to prepare the revaluation account. Now it's time to prepare the partners capital account. So this is the format of partners capital account. Let's move further with this. Very first we put the balance as PD from the balance sheet. Alright, now let's move further. We prepared revaluation account recently and we got the profit there. We can directly distribute it here. Alright, we have workman compensation reserve and there is no claim. So this entire 20 lakh. So the distribution comes 10 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. Right. Now let's move further. This employees provident fund is a liability, not reserve. So it will not be distributed. Right. Let's move further. Is there any loss? No, that is not there. Now what else is left to be transferred? Yes, treatment of goodwill. So very first we need to calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, for the same we need average profit of last 5 years profit. Right? 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 16 lakh, 14 lakh. Okay, divided by 5. So now let's calculate it. Total becomes 60 lakh divided by 5 means 12 lakh. Alright, now it says that 2 years purchase of profit. So it will be multiplied with 2. It becomes 24 lakh, and out of this the share of retiring partner Chetan 2 by 6 8 lakh. Right, 2 by 10 4 lakh 80,000. Right, so that is the share of goodwill of retiring partner. This amount will be compensated by continuing partner. In what ratio? New ratio is not given, then the old ratio will be gaining as well as new ratio, means 5:3. Okay, so this amount will be divided between these two in 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. So Ashish will compensate 3 lakh and Brajesh will compensate 1,80,000. Okay, let's pass the entry for this and here as well. Alright, so this is the nominal treatment of goodwill, nothing else here. Okay, now let's move further. This point is also done. Chetan's share of profit up to the date of retirement must be calculated on the basis of average profit. Okay, now everything we have transferred, no other thing is left except the profit of the current period. So now try to understand. This balance sheet is there on 31st March 2020. Alright, and he is getting retired on 30th June 2020, means after 3 months, April, May, June. Okay, so in 3 months, how much profit has been earned, that information is not given here, right? If it is given, then we could directly calculate the share. Okay, but it is not given. One condition is given here. Chetan's share of profit up to the date of retirement, means up to 30th June 2020, be calculated on the basis of average profit of the preceding 3 years. Preceding 3 years means this one, and this one. Very first we need to take the average of these profit. Okay, and then we need to calculate it for 3 months and then share of retiring partner. How? I just show you. Here most of the students commit mistake. What they do, they just take profit this, and this. Why we are taking from the back side? Because the question says preceding, means from this last, right? So we'll go in this manner. Okay, now I have to take the average. What is the total? It's 42 lakh divided by 3, which is 14 lakh. This is there to complete here, and we need to calculate it for 3 months. Because he is getting retired on 30th June, April, May, June, right? And now this 3 months will be there for 3 of the partners. Now we have to take only the retiring partner share, and what share he is getting? He is getting 2 by 10. Now we can solve it. That will be the share of retiring partners profit. Okay. So after doing the calculation, we get 70,000. Right. Now this 70,000 will be given only to the retiring partner. Okay. And the entry will be mentioned here by profit and loss suspense account. Okay. Because the year has not completed and these partners are continuing, Ashish and Brajesh. So whenever the year is completed, this balance of profit and loss suspense account will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account and the adjustment will be done. Right. So for the temporary period, we have opened one account, profit and loss suspense account, because right now we cannot make the profit and loss appropriation account until unless trading account and profit and loss account is prepared. When we get net profit, only then we can prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So that will be done at the end of the year, right? So as of now, we have to make the payment to this person. So we open a temporary account by the name of profit and loss suspense account. Okay, and at the end of the year, the balance of this will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Fine. Let's move forward. Now nothing more we have to do. We have to just make the total and make the payment to the retiring partner. But the question says that amount payable to Chetan to be transferred to his loan account carrying interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest is not important for us right now because we are not going to prepare loan account. We are just going to transfer the balance of retiring partner's capital account to his loan account. Alright, so very first let's make the total. So the total for Chetan is 26,70,000. No debit balance is there, so this entire amount 26,70,000 will be transferred to Chetan's loan account. Right? Now let's calculate for Brajesh. That is 31,80,000. And out of this 31,80,000, we need to deduct 1,80,000. Then we get 30 lakh. Alright, and this will be shown here as balance. ED means in the balance sheet. Okay, now let's talk about this Ashish. This 37 lakh. We mentioned here as well. Now we deduct 3 lakh out of this, then we get 34 lakh. Alright, so this 34 lakh and 30 lakh will be mentioned there in the new balance sheet by the capital of the continuing partners, and this 26,70,000 will be mentioned there in the balance sheet by Chetan's loan account. So let's prepare the balance sheet. Okay. So this is the format of balance sheet. It will be prepared as at 30th June, as the question asks at the time of retirement of the partner. Okay. So let's put the value. Creditors. Is there any change in creditors? No, I don't see that. So it will be mentioned at the same value, 4 lakh. Employees Provident Fund, no change. So it will also be mentioned at the same value at rupees 4 lakh. Alright, Workman Compensation Reserve has been distributed. Capitals of continuing partners, Ashish and Brijesh. It's 34 lakh and it's 30 lakh. The total comes out 64 lakh. Right? Then Chetan's loan account. How much? 26 lakh 70. Okay, now let's go to asset side. Cash at bank, nothing we paid in cash, so the entire amount will remain intact. Okay, then debtors, no change in debtors. Yes. Is there any change? No, not at all. Right, so we'll mention the debtors also at the same value, that is 20 lakh. Now let's talk about stock. So stock value has changed. Okay, it has become now 16 lakh. Fine, and after that investment. Yes, investment value is also changed. It has to be there at 6 lakh now. Okay, and then building. Yes, building value is also changed. It needs to be at 44 lakh. Any other asset or adjustment do we have? So it's time to make the total of two of the sides. If these match, we are correct. Now, when first make the total of this side, 98 lakh 70,000. Okay, let's make the total of this side. It comes out only 98 lakh. Means the difference of 70,000. The same 70,000 that we have given to the retiring partner as his share of profit. Try and understand this concept. Okay, this 70,000 has been given to him, but right now we have not calculated the profit. Okay, if we have transferred some amount to any partner, fine, because we have passed the entry. Profit and loss suspense account debit to Chetan's capital account, right? Okay, now this profit and loss suspense account we need to recover it because this amount has been transferred. So until unless this amount is recovered, it will be shown as fictitious asset because it is a kind of loss for the firm. Alright, so it will be mentioned here, that is 70,000, and now the balance sheet will match 98 lakh 70,000. Fine. So this is how such questions need to be attempted. Okay, only one twist was there in this question, to calculate the share of retiring partner if he retires in the middle of the year. Why we have to open this profit and loss suspense account? Because right now we have not calculated gross profit, net profit. Then how we can calculate the share of profit for any partner? But he is retiring at that time, so we'll have to make some adjustment for that. Until unless we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, we keep balance of profit and loss suspense account temporarily there, right? Okay, at the end of the year, this will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Understood the point? Alright friends, so this was all about the numerical problems on retirement of a partner. Very soon I am going to meet you with another video, and this time the video will be there on the death of partner. Alright then, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.